Hi my sweet friends, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a craft together, so let's get started. Welcome back my sweet friends. So today what I'm going to be doing is some jelly printing. I'm going to use my jelly plate and make some pretty papers. I have some stamps and other stuff I'm going to use. We're gonna make some painty papers because I want to make some junk journals this summer and I need paper, pretty little paper, so that's what we're gonna do starting now. So probably what I'm gonna do is just make a couple papers with you, and then what I'll do is I'll make the pretty papers and then I'll come back and I'll show you all the prints that I make. So I'm just putting blue down, some dabs of blue. Doesn't matter where. So there's blue. Put some yellow. This is a pretty big plate, so there's some yellow. We'll put some silver. Silver's a little bit more runny. Okay, I have my brayer ready, and then I'm gonna grab a stamp to get ready. I have a stamp, I have my brayer. We're just going to roll out the paint. I have a roll-off paper beside me that I'm rolling my brayer off on, and I'm just gonna stamp with the stamp. I just want to make marks in the paper, a little design. Okay, you're going to take a piece of paper. I have copy paper here. Let's start on this side, lay it down. Just like that. And then I'm going to take the other piece over here. I will fast forward through some so you'll see me make some paper. Okay, so let's peel this one off. And that's how this one looks. See if we can get a little bit more color in there. There we go. Okay, so that's the first one. Cleaned up my jelly plate, so let's try this again. My paper was sticking I tried the thin layer of white. It didn't seem to make a difference. So I cleaned it. I'm gonna add one more color, this peach color. Okay. So I have a stamp here, a foam stamp I'm going to use. It has flowers and stuff on it. Try to work a little faster. I have a stamp. Just gonna stamp it. So we have that side. Let's do this flower here. Just trying to make some marks in the paper. Okay. I'll clean that in a second. Let's grab our paper, lay it down, gently push down to pick it up. I'm going to pick it up. Oh, this side didn't get anything. Okay, try again. There we go. So that's what that one looks like. Move it off to dry. I'm gonna grab another one and put the half down. Pick it up. That's really pretty. Set it over to dry. I'm going to grab some white. I'm going to do a thin layer of white. I got my brayer right here. Sorry for knocking you. Grab a piece of paper, lay it down. I am going to do both sides of the paper, so okay, pick it up. That's what that one looks like. That's really pretty. We'll take the half sheet I did before and we'll cover it with this one. There we go. So there's that one. We're just out to try to cover the paper and make it pretty. That's all I'm out to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward some so you can see me do some. And then I'll show you at the end all of the papers that I made. are the papers that I did on the jelly plate, so I'm gonna quickly show you them. I was just out to put some color on some papers so it's not white and boring. So some are a little dark, which is okay. This side I forgot to do, and this side I'll just spray them with some sprays. So, and I'll just get them some color on them. Now these were really dark. That's pretty. So they weren't hard to do, and it was a lot of fun. And I'll throw them through my, you know, I'll die cut with them or whatever, or I'll throw them in the junk journal. So I really like this page, is my favorite. So those are the papers that I did. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you on the next video. Bye everyone.